to my YouTube channel. My name is Orin Akómoníwà. Yes, if today's the first on this channel, I am so happy to have you on board. You are so welcome. Yes, so let's about Akómoníwà. Orin Akómoníwà. So the songs to shaping your character, the songs to teach about morals. Okay, we're gonna continue again today. I've got just 3 songs as well again today. Okay, and then we'll continue at a later stage. Okay, so as you know, we've got to greet everyone together in Yorùbá language, okay? On the count of Ení o, Èjì o, Ẹ̀ta ó yá o, Ẹ káàárọ̀, Ẹ káàsán, Ẹ káalẹ́. A kú dédé àsìkò yìí gbogbo tí ẹ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi lónìí. Orúkọ tèmi ni olùkọ́ Àǹtí Dékẹ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní kọ́ nípa àwọn orin Akómoníwà. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni a kọ́ nípa ọmọ tó mọ̀ ìyá rẹ̀ lójú, a kọ́ nípa bàtà mi àdúkòkò kà, a dẹ̀ tún kọ́ nípa òjò ń rọ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ní títòní a máa kọ́ nípa ìmọ́tótó àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Ó yá o. Alright guys, we're going to learn about 3 more songs today, okay? And this one I'm going to teach you now is about cleanliness, okay? To be clean. Ìmọ́tótó ló lè ṣẹ́gun àrùn gbogbo. Ìmọ́tótó ló lè ṣẹ́gun àrùn gbogbo. Ìmọ́tótó ilé, ìmọ́tótó ara, ìmọ́tótó oúnjẹ, ìmọ́tótó ló lè ṣẹ́gun àrùn gbogbo. So the second one is about respecting our elders. Ẹ wólẹ̀ fàgbà, àgbà ní gbani. Ẹ wólẹ̀ fàgbà, àgbà ní gbani. Ẹ wólẹ̀ fàgbà, àgbà ní gbani. So that means always prostrate or kneel down to greet elders, because elders are the one that can rescue you, which is true. Like when we were younger, if you get into trouble with your mom or your dad, and there's an elder in the house that you've always respected, or you get in trouble with your mom, they'll be the one to beg your mom on your behalf or your dad so that you wouldn't get spanked. So that is why they say that it's the elders that save. Ẹ wólẹ̀ fàgbà, àgbà ní gbani. And this last one, I think I taught you before in one of the hygiene videos, which is wẹ̀ kí o mọ́, ré èékánná rẹ, jẹun tó dára lásìkò, má jẹun jù. Wẹ̀ kí o mọ́, ré èékánná rẹ, jẹun tó dára lásìkò, má jẹun jù. That means have your bath, okay? And be clean. Wash yourself clean. Cut your nails. Cut your fingernails. Eat good food. Eat balanced diet. Eat good food. Not sweet all the time. Okay? Eat your veggies. Okay? And don't eat too much. Don't overfeed yourself. Okay? And that is what that lesson is teaching us today. Okay? As you know, we can be singing our number together on the count of Ení o, Èjì o, Ẹ̀ta ó yá o, Ó dàbọ̀. Thank you so much. Ẹ ṣé o.